Hello and welcome to drillingcontractor.org. I'm Kelly Ainsworth here at the 2016 IADC HSDT conference in Houston. I'm with David Castro, Vice President of HSD at Orion Drilling Company. How are you doing today?
Good, Kelly. How are you?
Doing well. Earlier today in a presentation you talked about how Orion partnered with REACH to study and improve the workplace safety culture. What prompted your decision to reach out to them?
We were assessing our safety performance as it relates to understanding of our systems and tools. And what it boiled down to was we didn't have a very clear understanding of what it would take to make a step change. We focused on culture. We heard about the REACH group and their effectiveness around rig optimization, safety culture, safety performance, leadership. We had some conversations and we mapped out a plan to talk to the leadership of the company. We mapped out a plan to better understand what our culture, what culture existed on our rigs, and where we wanted to take it to.
Can you share some of the outcomes from working with REACH?
For starters, making sure we had leadership engagement at every step of the way. Without leadership support, really any process that you're trying to develop, implement, improve just simply doesn't work. So you need leadership personnel at all levels, field level, mid-level, and executive level, driving and leading by example and tip of the spear as we talk about.
How is Orion applying these outcomes to continue to improve its workplace safety culture?
You know, we talk about a lot beginning with the end in mind, and the end in mind for us was we certainly couldn't afford to have a consultant or a partnership with the REACH indefinitely, so we very much took the approach of building sustainability through Orion personnel and leadership driving Orion tools and processes. With that in mind, we looked for other areas that the culture shift and change was going to impact, and we connected the dots, so to speak, beyond safety. One of the most recent things is developing our leaders to be stronger leaders and sustain the culture that we're looking for in our field environments. The most recent thing we did was retooling our performance appraisals, and applying some of the tools that we learned in situational leadership and personal accountability, and using an existing Orion tool, but retooling it, redefining it, and repurposing it to sustain the culture we're looking for.
Well, thank you for joining us today and sharing all of your process with us.
You're welcome, Kelly. Thank you.
And thank you for joining us on drillingcontractor.org.